Understanding the term reservoir. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the term reservoir. You might have heard this term used in various contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means. A reservoir is typically a large natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply. For instance, towns or cities might have a reservoir nearby to store fresh water for their residents. Example: the town's water supply comes from the reservoir. Like many words in the English language, reservoir also has extended meanings beyond its literal sense. 1. Medical context. In medicine, a reservoir refers to an organism or environment in which an infectious agent lives and multiplies, and from which it can be transmitted to a host. Example: mosquitoes are a reservoir for the malaria parasite. Technical context. In various engineering or technical fields, a reservoir might refer to a place where something, like energy or a particular substance, is stored. Example: the oil reservoir in a car engine ensures it runs smoothly. Now that you understand its meanings, let's see how you can use reservoir in a sentence. 1. The reservoir is a popular spot for boating and fishing. 2. With the drought this year, the water levels in the reservoir are alarmingly low. 3. Researchers are studying bats as a potential reservoir for certain viruses. And there you have it. The term reservoir isn't just a body of water. It can also mean a store or source of something, whether that's water, disease, or even energy. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and enriched your English vocabulary. Happy learning!